Guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and of course we will be checking it out right there in this video. But before we go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and of course if you love the content we are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, and of course guys, this actually got to this resistance where the pullback went there again, and of course this is a pure signal for a downtrend. Okay, so we just needed to break out below this, and it's going to sell for a very long time. So this is going to be more of a selling of opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, if you don't like trading the spikes in GainX 1200, then definitely this is the right time for you to jump in. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Okay, so this is GainX 999. It went on uptrend right from here, got to this region, was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right from here. So this should be giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially if it breaks out below this particular support zone. Okay, so it's going to sell more. Okay, so we expect more selling opportunity right from here. Okay, next asset is going to be PNX 1200. Let's check it out. Okay, this is PNX 1200. It had been on downtrend before, but right from this support zone it's picked up an uptrend and it is buying at the moment. So we expect it to get to this region, so this is going to be giving us more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be PNX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is PNX 999, and of course we will be checking it out together. This had been an uptrend right from here, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right from there, and it's going to be selling for a very long time. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it breaks out above the resistance, and that is when it will continue to buy. Okay, so now let's check out our FX volume 80. Okay, let's check it out together. Okay, FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80, and of course this had been on downtrend for a while. Okay, it had been on downtrend. There are pullbacks, which are major pullbacks in between. Okay, however, it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. It has got into this support zone. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis, apply them carefully whenever you are trading. And for those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up right now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.